A multi-county organized crime ring, thousands of pounds in stolen berries, 11 suspects, 9 of them undocumented.
Stop! Stop! Get on the ground! On the ground now! On the ground! Yeah, one went that way.
Looks like they're actually trying to hop the fence.
On August 11th, 2025, officers with the Martin County Sheriff's Office received a tip from a concerned citizen who stated to have witnessed a U-Haul van unloading a crew dressed in black into the woods. Deputies urgently responded to the scene, still unaware of the danger they were walking into.
Everyone, we did see a movement between the box truck and the panel van, so it definitely looked like they were actively unloading it.
Yeah, it looks like they're wrapping up shop. The blue shirt leader is one from First Hotel. Alright, let's go ahead and take them now. Body cams.
Go back over there. Go back over there. Go over there. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. All right, Get on the ground. Stop! Stop! Get on the ground! On the ground now! On the ground. 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 Do not move. I'll tase you again.
Multiple subjects are taking off to the north to that building, the 902 Federal Highway. Looks like they're actually trying to hop the fence.
There's one jumping the fence right there. You better get back here now. You better. I'm gonna tase you. On the ground. Yeah, one went that way. I got 4. I need help. I'm with you. On the ground. On the ground. Do not move. Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Yeah, 40 times 2. Be careful of wires.
All right.
If you got wires. Yeah, it hurts.
Come out. Come here. Come here. Come on. Now. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
Hey, get on the ground. Get on your feet. Oh. Hey, get on the ground. Get on your face.
Get up. Get down. Got him. Got him.
I got 2 years.
Okay, relax.
I got you.
I'm gonna need 2 cuffs on this guy.
Yeah. Hand me in your back. Okay. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
So we were showing your line. That's the last place I saw him. I cut through.
Yep.
There we go. More room now.
While officers on the ground continued struggling to detain one of the suspects, in the sky, aerial surveillance officers had an even bigger problem to deal with.
You got more runners?
We're going to have one subject running, still northbound. Pickup truck that's turning onto that road now, take a right.
Running through Burger King, where is he?
Everyone, I lost all behind you guys.
Where?
Everyone, I lost all behind you guys.
Where? There, did anybody pop out?
Everyone, I lost visual. I haven't seen him pop out. They're listening for the last place I saw him was that pickup truck. Keep going to the south a little bit. Take a right. Stop. Right out your driver door. That's the last place I saw him. Great pickup. That pickup truck right out to your passenger door. Yeah, right where you're shining your light. That's the last place I saw him.
Everyone, is that one line clear?
Everyone, I can't tell. It's thick in here. He could be right in this wood line, guys. I just don't know.
Here, well, we're going to drop an elevation. We'll be able to check the wood lines surrounding here a little better.
Is it possible he jumped the fence and ran eastbound?
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. I got them right here. Show me your hands. All right. Hey, give me hands. Give me hands.
Good. Turn around. Put your hand on there. Put your hand. Turn around.
Got him right here. Who's here?
It's in that spot the last place I saw him.
Constant? All right.
We got one more invested.
Yeah, got him. There he is. I'm surprised. Pretty outside.
Alright, so 6 total. We think we'll be outstanding.
How many more are still outstanding?
1 or 2, not 100% sure.
Okay. But still at least one for sure.
There, well, besides that other person, you guys just 10-15. I didn't see anybody else running in my camera view.
Right there is perfect.
Any guns on you?
Nah, man. I'm good, man.
Get on your belly.
I'm good, sir.
Get on your belly.
I'm good, sir.
Get on your belly.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing, sir. I've been here the whole time. I don't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere, sir. I've been here the whole time.
Okay.
Hey, we're probably gonna have to get fire rescue for him because he landed pretty hard on that.
All right. Up here. There you go. Sit. Extend your feet. There you go.
Perfect. How old are you?
¿Cuántos años? ¿Cuántos años?
42.
Huh?
43. 43.
23, 40, 43, 33. So you just need him for what? Just a knock on the head? I didn't see him fall, but he said he fell pretty hard.
Have a seat.
Sit down.
Okay, one momento.
I think our only...
You want to put them on the curbs?
Yeah.
Becky. Becky, amigo.
Am I allowed to remove this?
What now? Yeah, you're supposed to remove it. Do you have the yellow thing?
Let me find another one.
Uno momento, por favor. Uno momento. Uno momento. Right there.
William at 3. Yeah. Contact you.
I've been here the whole time, sir. I swear to you. I swear. I
know. We've been watching you load up the berries that were
I wasn't driving. I'm not doing nothing.
Okay.
I've been here.
We'll talk to you later.
Where were they at?
What?
What were they doing? Like, I know they were getting berries, but they said they have permission.
I'm not talking to you right now. We'll talk to you later, okay?
Channel 1 know what we're doing.
Do they want this guy over there?
Thank you. Hey, yeah, sir.
You go to your knees.
I was just getting my stuff out.
You sit here.
¿Qué pasó?
No, we're not talking.
While conducting their investigation, officers took note of a suspicious individual sitting on a nearby curb. Unsure of his involvement, deputies move in to ask him some questions. Please note that some of the audio in this interaction was partially redacted by the records department.
Sorry, text my girl. I'll fight you on my girl. My girl can get me out. She's in 132. I got her and sit down here. I seen the cop there. I'm like, what the hell's going on? I'm fighting for 2 days. Came over and see somebody over here. Then she kicked me out. I ain't got no right back to my. Oh no, I'm not. No vehicle. No vehicle. Oh, her car's over there. What? It's a black Mercedes. Channel. I was gonna marry her, but she caught me cheating.
Yeah, look at him. That's him right there. Yeah, I took the picture of you actually. When? Earlier today. Yeah. Where is it? Leaning up against that U-Haul truck right there after you unloaded berries. Okay. Yep, go.
I'm not gonna load berries. I'm not gonna load no berries in the truck. I'm not gonna drive. I know I ain't load bearers. I know I ain't load bearers. I know that for a fact. I know they got a permit. I don't know. I don't know from where.
You take pictures of it?
No, I have not yet.
Steady going.
I don't have a work phone. Let me go. The key. Aquí, por favor. Aquí, por favor. There's a bunch of berries there, Sheriff. Boy, that's some berries. Well, you can have whichever one of these you want. We have 7
This
now.
one? I want to say.
Because we have those 5. We just got the one out of the bushes, and then the one that's right there. It's come out of the building.
Cowboy.
Should be the driver.
Cowboys.
So we got enough to arrest them for grand theft. We followed to the room. They went in the room. Like, we know who they are.
Yeah.
We got enough to go grab the other ones in that room for grand theft.
Right.
You want to knock and announce or what?
Yeah, getting hurt.
Yeah. Yeah. Sheriff's office, open the door.
You'll hold in there for a second.
Sheriff's office. I see hands.
Hands up.
Hands.
Out.
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 Okay.
One, two, bathroom. Hands. Hands.
Put your pants on. Come outside. Manos.
Come out. Hands.
Manos.
Hands.
Come out.
You're not listening.
Stand out. Come outside. Manos.
Hands. Let me see your hands.
Come out.
Come on. No, no shoes.
No sepas.
No tengo, ahorita no traigo mi pasaporte.
See pants?
Siéntese.
No más.
No.
Siéntese.
Trying to put it on the radio one more.
Yeah, we got one more. 218. Anything in there? Sheriff's office.
Go ahead, I only got a wall.
Right here. Good.
Yeah, it's good.
So where's that? 11, 12? 11 total?
Like 11 total.
We're good.
Let's go.
Ready? Thank you.
Come on.
That way. Right behind you.
They got 3 of them. Do you have IDs on them yet? I'll wrap it up. Yeah, we have to wrap it.
Hey, we're gonna line them all up in front of the van here. You're right there by the driver's door. Over here.
Was that English?
Oh, okay. Yeah, fine.
That one tried to run, and when I closed that one, he fell into him and he smoked his face on the.
We are missing one. The crew leader of the pickers is the guy in the teal shirt and shorts.
Yeah.
The guy moving the van was the guy wearing the Dallas Cowboy hat. Do you think we're missing picker? Probably a boss. They say he's a tall, thin guy. That's all their names, how many pounds they picked, how much they owed them. How much they owed them.
Dude, they've been cleaning house
Oh yeah, because there's like five or six trees.
Yeah. This isn't the first time I picked the rotten berries in the back. Yep.
A thorough search of the suspect's hotel and the U-Haul were conducted. Police discovered and seized crucial journals that not only revealed the cosmic scale of their criminal operations, but also revealed the names of potential victims in this case. Based on the evidence collected, investigators concluded that the suspects had been conducting surveillance on private property and farmland across all of Martin County. Officers had secured enough probable cause to charge the suspects with a litany of felony and misdemeanor charges. While their exact charges remain undisclosed, here is what we do know. Under Florida Statute 581.189, unauthorized berry picking is deemed a third-degree felony, adding in charges for resisting arrest and grand theft, and this crew could be looking at potential decades in prison. As for the 9 undocumented suspects, they currently remain under ICE detention.